Quintus. We got a fun video here. Me and my friend Connor. Carmine right there, he's going to be shooting us. We're going to play a fun game called Airsoft High Five. What we're both going to do is we're going to face the wall. Carmine's going to count 3, 2, 1. We're going to raise either a 5 or a 0. And Carmine's going to pick which one he wants to shoot. Alright, let's start. Alright, go Carmine.
3, 2, 1, go! Andrew!
Alright, go quick. Go again, go again.
3, 2, 1, go! Connor!
Oh! Go again, go again.
Andrew! I'm shooting you both.
What? Alright, let's go again, dig in.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Andrew! Oh, wait. Something went wrong with the gun.
Go again.
3, 2, 1, go! Andrew!